Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to show you the different kits that I subscribe to each month. I'll show you what I've gotten so far. The Stamps of Life this month, their kit club. Oh, what is it called that I'm in? The Die Hard Club. Now this one is, you get the stamp and the dies to match for a set price. And you can go to their website and see what that price is. Anyway, they send out this little card and it shows you in a couple of examples of what you can create with the cards. So super cute. I was going to cancel this month, but I'm really thinking I'll see what next month brings. Some of their stamps are super duper cute. Others are very cartoonish and just don't fit my style. And so, but I really like those. Those have the potential to, yeah, make some really cute cards. Like even though these are colored, I don't think that they feel necessarily overly juvenile. So, well, the birdhouses don't. So that's what I got from the Stamps of Life for the monthly Die Hard for January 2020. Next up is my Felicity Jane kit. Now this kit is called Madison. And so the only thing that did not come with this kit is the Madison Girl stamp. So she will go over to the side, is not included, but I went ahead and ordered her additionally because she's so stinking cute. And if you look, she wears glasses, and that's always a big thing for me with stamps because I wear glasses. So the paper this month, this is the display sheet of all the different paper, and that floral is so pretty. Now they are great for having the one side that is colored and patterned, and then the other side that's just black and white pattern. It's not plain white, you know, like the back of this is plain white. There's the back side is typically white with a black pattern. Also in there came this January title, which is lovely. So you can see the bigger scale, the black dots on the back side, and those look like they're scratched on. This one is a grayish color. That almost looks like stitching. Well, I'll tell you what it looks like when you're in the healthcare profession and you're looking at a grid where an ECG monitor is. Underneath it, it has a grid, and so it's marked out by a heavier line, smaller lines, fainter, and then another heavy line in a grid pattern, and that's kind of what that reminds me of. Red with a lighter mauve-y type, mauvish pink dot, and a diagonal stripe. Look at that branding strip. That is so stinking cute. I love that. That's so pretty. Oh, that too. Wood grain is always good. Nice and neutral, and a little heart pattern on the back. A bitty floral and window pane. And there's the window pane, is that large graph. And then of course they have the solid sheets that are the pinkish mauve, the dark green, the lighter mauve, or the darker mauve, and then an orange color. So I feel like, yeah, I like this collection of paper. I don't have anything necessarily in mind for it right this minute, but yeah. So there's where we start. This was their little thank you card that comes with the kit, and it always tends to match the other cards that come with the kit, the pocket page cards. Look at that. It's got that white love on there. And these are grid, dot grid, and grid on the back sides of these. Floral image, heart image, pie shape or graph shape, dots. Enjoy the beauty of becoming. Oh, that's so pretty. Beautiful. Stripes. Ooh, the floral on that black background. Oh, that is so pretty. Now, if they'd have had a large with this floral pattern with the black background, oh, that would have been so pretty. And that's just like a journaling area. the black grid, and then almost like a paint chip with the pinks. So those are very pretty. This will go in there with them. It's a little bit different texture and style because this has a more, it feels like it's almost a thicker, and it has almost a gloss finish on it. But that's okay. It still gets used. Stamp set this month. This came with the kit, and it says, I can do this, you are enough, my story to tell, new year, same awesome me, good day, bring on whatever is next, learning to love me more, it's okay not to be okay, just breathe, one day at a time, yes you can, Madison, the name Madison, hashtag goals, and then some floral shapes that match what's in the paper collection. This is a set of vellum pockets that are from the Madison line. So let's see. You can't really get a good feel for vellum pockets on the image there. So that one says love. This is just the gingham pattern or plaid. Well, not plaid. That one has a cross hatch with an X in the center. Very cute. That floral image in a larger one, and then the grid pattern. I think they call it frames. So yeah, those are all very pretty. I'll have to figure out a way to get them used because I don't use a lot of things like that in my scrapbooking very often. I'll figure something out. These are mini envelopes. Another difficult task because I don't use a lot of mini envelopes or do any hidden journaling. So it looks like they match the pattern papers, and they quite literally are mini envelopes. So that may be something that if I can't figure out a way to get these used, then that may be something that I pass on to someone. I don't know. Yeah, they're not really my thing, but doesn't mean that I won't try and use them somehow. We'll see. These are embossed tags. Well, it helps if you try and open it the right way. So looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can go over these with an ink or a stain or a chalk even, and it will cause those to stand out a little bit more. You can see the hearts, the word love, there's just grid marks, home, and a little flower. So very cute. I'll probably play with these. I know I will, because this kind of stuff is kind of fun. It can be a little messy, but that's one of the messies I think I can deal with. We got this alphabet, this puffy alphabet this time, and they're mini letters. They're little tiny letters. So I might, in order to make titles with this, these would be good I think for subtitles, but for regular titles I might have to add a larger, like a Thicker's font or something to this set, which is fine. This grid washi tape, and it's a larger grid, it's not the smaller grid. Let me see if I can get this open. It's kind of difficult, but you know, I am determined. So there's that one. And I do like this washi tape. I used one of theirs a couple of weeks ago, and it was a little bit difficult to write on. It smeared quite easily. But as long as you know that and you go at it with a Sharpie marker, I think that'll be okay. And then of course the die cuts. I'm just going to pull out this sheet so that you can get a close-up without the glare on it. Well, let's see if I can go through the die cuts. So there's one that says beauty. These labels and tabs. There's Madison already cut. Floral arrangement. more flowers and more flowers, tags or banners, another little journal piece, flowers, a circle that half of it says January, more floral bits, ribbon, a bow ribbon, more tabs, a tag. This one says story, another tab, hearts, well, maybe if I can get it over there, flowers, more hearts. This one says comfy, another tab, and another tag. So yeah, you can see you get tons of die cuts, which is always fun. You know, back in the day, they used to, companies used to make die cuts on punch-out sheets, and then you'd have all these little bits and pieces around the edges of them, and it would drive me crazy. So I'd have to get my scissors out and smooth everything out. And I love that they don't do that now. Even those that have like a white edge or a white border, I'm okay with that. Sometimes I have to cut it down just a little bit if it's too much for me. But for the most part, I love it. So that is my January kit from Felicity Jane. And finally, this is my Freckled Fawn kit. It's an embellishment kit that I get every month. Now, I do get the kit. You can add on different pieces that you like, that you want extra of. Like if you want the wood veneer every month, or if you want extra enamel dots, or extra labels, or extra stickers, or extra alphabets, you can get that for like $1 or $2 more than what the basic kit is. I think this is called... I don't think it's called Basic Kit, but it's something along those lines. It doesn't have all the travel journal stuff. So this one is the alphabet, and I always get 2 sheets of those. And if they go on clearance or go on sale, I typically buy more because I love their alphas. I love them. A lot of months you will get like tile letter stickers, and then some months you'll get these actual letters. Here on my desk, I have these that I'm working with right now. These are other actual letter stickers. And you can see this can match into here, so I can intermix these to some degree. Once I use the kit for the first time, then typically after that I will pull in break the kit down and mix it in with my stash and be able to mix and match. Washi strips, there's 2 sheets in here. This one has a dot, days of the week, a grid, a diagonal stripe, hearts, large color stripes on it. And this one says, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. The numbers through 9, and then it starts 0 to 6, and then a stripe. You get these beautiful enamel dots. I love their enamel dots. They are always so pretty. These label stickers, and I love, love, love their label stickers as well. And then finally a wood veneer that says 2020. So yeah, that's what I got for Freckled Fawn. So these are my monthly kits that I get every month. And as they come in, I typically put them into my stash and start using them. When I pull my kits together, I will start with a base. Like this kit will be a base for a monthly kit, and I will pull stamps in. I will pull these packages, but what might match this package, it might be something like this one, which is another Freckled Fawn kit. You can see it has some of the matching, that orangey and maybe some of the green feels. Or I could look through and find this one, you know, which has darker greens, but still it might match. And so as time goes by, I have all these Freckled Fawn kits sitting here on my desk, so I can pull them into the kits as I go along. This one doesn't match because of all the teals and blues, but another of my freckled might match, so I'd pull that in. So over the coming year, when I pull kits together. This will be my kit base, and I will add additional supplies from my stash into this, and then pull in other supplies like from Freckled Fawn or stamps, either from Close to My Heart or Stamps of Life. I did not join the Close to My Heart Club that I have been a member of for several years, where you buy like $10 a month. I did not join that in January, but I do get updates from my distributor that if I see something that I want and I can't live without it, or feel like I can't live without it, I'll buy it then. But because these kits come with stamp sets from Felicity Jane, I felt like I can probably go a year without the Close to My Heart because I have so many. And I'm about to start working on clearing out some of my stamps and reorganizing to some degree. Anyway, I just wanted to share what I got for the month of January for my kit clubs. And I appreciate you guys watching my videos and sticking around. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.